getting money, man. I ain't shit out here for free, my nigga. You better go out and get it and come back with it, straight like that.
Butt naked in the house, blowing O's with my nigga. Sipping on the hen, getting throwed with my nigga. Wearing all this ice, getting cold with my nigga. I've been hustling all day, putting on for my nigga. So don't you wanna come and fuck with a real bitch? You could be my nigga, we could kick it on some chill shit. Drop them other hoes, I bet they switch up on you real quick. Dip up on you real quick. If the money don't flip, all you gotta do is put it on me when I ask you to. And bet not tell me no unless you ready for my attitude. I hop up on Big Daddy, then I start doing gymnastics. Turn around and slow it down and tell him he can have this. Neck like a yo-yo. Catch a bitch talking to my nigga, I go loco. His ex-bitch, man, cause I look good in every photo. If the bitch get the trip and bring it straight to her front door, wipe her up like Fabuloso. Bitch, you out here playing, see, come get up on this money team. You broke, cause you acting green. You out here sucking dick for free. You can't be in your feelings when you out here getting this money. Everybody treat you different when your pockets looking funny. So don't you wanna risk that ass in this glass house? Bitches throwing stones, they ain't knowing what this cash bout. I ain't never slipping, I ain't broke, I ain't assed out. If I ever need it, I run straight to my stash house. I pull up with your daddy, looking like a baddie. Bad bitches in the backseat, rolling fatties. I pull up with your pusher in a pusher with my foot up. Everybody fucking with me cause they know I got the hook up.